Good evening, this is me Jerusha and this is Subhashri. We are studying in Christ City Engineering College. At present, we are from BEC 3rd year. Our project guide is Mrs. Yamuna ma'am. Today we are here to present a smart lock system project. So basically, traditionally we use physical keys. What problem we face that someone might duplicate it or we need to carry it everywhere, so it might get lost. So through the smart locks system, we use passwords and biometrics and access our home.
In a smart lock system, there are some objectives are there. The first objective of a smart lock system is enhance secure system. Design secure system. In a design secure system, they were used to protect the door from the unauthorized access. It uses the technologies like face lock, fingerprint, or mobile apps like indicates a notification for a user for a better experience. The second objective of a smart lock system is enhanced security. Enhanced security means they enhance the safety purposes for a smart lock system for a better experience for a user. And the third objective of a smart lock system is simplify user experience. The user experience the safety and authorized access in the smart lock systems.
Introduction to smart locks. First, convenience and security. For example, if we see in malls and offices, if we go near the door, through sensor it will sense and it will open. So through this auto unlock, it is very convenient to use. And next, security. The main question is whether smart lock is safe. Yes, it is safe. Through a AES 12-bit encryption, what it will give means there will be data stored, which person entered at which time and all. So through that we will be able to know that who entered our home if any theft occurred. Next, digital access. For example, a friend of you wants to access your home when you are in any distant place. Through a digital key, you can send a digital key to your friend that will be available for hours or months according to your use, and it will expire after that. Even you can use some unique codes. That code can be used by your friend and can be accessed and it can be expired. Next, IoT demand. IoT demand. Many people want IoT because many people are in a very fast mode of working, so that many people need IoT so that they don't need to carry their keys every time. Next, we are going to see about the literature surveys that are being conducted in smart lock system.
First of all, architecture and principle. In architecture and principle, they discuss about the working and principle of a smart lock system. And authentication method. In authentication method, they analyze the authentication method utilized from the user, including biometrics and mobile applications such as app controls and smart lock systems.
Next, consumer acceptance. The customer might get afraid, basically mainly on cyber security. Like someone might hack their phone and take their lock. For that, we use two-step authentication so that no person will be able to access our lock. Next, future trends. According to future trends, we have to design this smart lock system. Now, for example, many technologies like vein access. Now we are using fingerprint, but what they are going to do means vein detection. Through vein detection, hygienic are followed.
In a smart lock system, in a lock system, there are some vulnerabilities are there. In a vulnerabilities, the current locking system has some vulnerabilities such as lock picking and unauthorized key duplications are there. In a lack of features, existing methodologies lack real-time monitoring and remote access capabilities.
Next, proposed methodology for smart lock implementation. First, smart lock design. Smart lock design is the brain and ear of the smart lock system. For communication, we use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth we use for unlocking and locking purposes. Wi-Fi we are using for remote access. Now, if you are in a very distant country or place, we can use Wi-Fi to access. Next, we use microprocessor. It is a central processor of a smart lock system. So, in microprocessor, the signal is sent from the phone. That phone will send a command to the sensor, and the sensor will give a command to the actuator, and that actuator will move according to this. Next, data security measures. For data security measures, some protocols have been followed so that we use temporary codes and temporary password for guest members.
In a smart lock system, there are some hardware and software used components, and the components are microcontroller like Arduino and Raspberry Pi, Bluetooth module, Wi-Fi module, monitoring, locking mechanism, and power supply, mobile applications such as Android or iOS.
We use software components like Secure Server. Through Secure Server, we will manage our data. When there is a proper data, your home will be very secure. And we use firmware for microcontroller commands to send signals to phone, sensor, actuator, etc.
In a smart lock system, there are some advantages are there. In advantages, they increase securities for a smart lock system for a user experience, and convenience enables keyless entry, simplifies access management for multiple users. Customization, the customization allows users to access the code for a guest. When the guest enter the home, they will give some temporary code to the guest to open and authorize the door for a few hours. And customization are used for enhancing the controllability.
Testing results of prototype. Prototype are the physical example that our project have been worked. So reliability and security. When the doors were open and closed, no crashing occurred, and when the command was passed, there was low latency. Latency means small time, minimum time was taken for opening and closing the doors. The testers fear that sometimes their project might not work, but users said that it was very useful, and they found it very useful, and they said that it will use in future also. Data performance, there were no data loss when passing the signals from the sensors, actuators, etc. So we are planning to enhance this project more so that no data loss will occur and no hackers will try to access the smart lock system. Thank you.
Thank you.